Alright guys, doing a random for break 393 AFC. Zach's on top, John Daly on the bottom. AFC North first. Ravens on top, Titans on the bottom. 5 or greater. 6. Alright. There's the first list. I'm just going to copy these into the chat here. I got it on screen record, so. Alright, back with the NFC. Arizona Cardinals on top, Redskins on the bottom, 5 related. 8. Final round. Vikings on top, Bucks on the bottom. What's up, Bob? Bob, check this out. Oofda. Peyton Manning ice. Sick. And then there's the other ones we've hit tonight behind us. Hit 3 ices tonight. 2 blazes, a pro line, and a speed. Nasty. I would do some dirty things to get that frickin' Manning. You guys all see the teams in the chat? List stops at 11. Can you guys see teams on the 11 though? So I'll do 10 just to be safe. There's the last 10. Oh fuck, I've been recording the screen.